In this video, I will show how to create this quick rhythm video intro. Let's start. I have already imported the logo here. Now go to the audio section and search for Hit Streak. Drag this track onto the timeline. You can also use other music styles like fast, stomp, rhythm, etc. I'll trim the starting part of the audio to around 16 seconds and similarly trim the ending part as well. Simply move the audio clip to the beginning of the timeline and zoom in slightly for better precision. I'll set the total duration to 10 seconds. Let's move the playhead to around the 8-second mark and apply a fade out effect. That looks good now. Next, I'll stretch the timeline a bit and mark the beats using the M key on the keyboard. We'll mark each beat one by one. This might take a bit of time, but it's worth it. Also, don't forget to follow us on Instagram for more creative content. Alright, I've marked all the beats. Now go to Stock Media, Solid Colors, and choose any color you like. I'll start with white. Click on the first beat marker and trim the end of the layer. Next, I'll add this cyanosis black color. Again, click on the second mark and trim the end part. Just like that, continue adding different solid colors based on the beat markings. If you want to make it more creative, you can also use images instead of just colors. For the last layer, I'll keep a slightly longer duration. Now add a default title layer. I'll match its duration with the first color layer. Type your text. I'll be using the Bebas Neue font and set the color to dark gray, which looks good on this background. To add some creativity, I'll set the font size to 44. Then move forward a few frames, split the text layer and change the size to 64. Again, move forward, split and set the size to 100. This creates a cool scaling effect. Now press Alt key to duplicate the text layer. I'll change the duplicate's color to white, adjust its position and simply replace the text. Duplicate the black text layer, adjust its duration to match the background layer and replace its text too. We'll place another duplicate layer, type the next line, and then split this into 3 parts. Select the second part and add a dot at the end. Similarly, add a dot at the end of the third part. This adds another cool visual effect. We'll keep repeating this process for the next segments. You can experiment with different fonts, colors, or even text animations for a more unique look. For now, I'll skip that part of the video. At the end, we'll add the logo. Adjust its duration and move slightly forward to add a scale keyframe. Then reduce the scale value according to your preference. Apply a drop shadow effect and slightly tweak its basic settings. Now go back to the start of the logo layer and set the scale value to 0. To make the animation smooth, apply ease into all keyframes. To add more depth, go to the effects section, drag a particles overlay onto the timeline, adjust its duration, and set the opacity to around 30%. As a bonus tip, you can further enhance the look of your text layers by adding text animations, which will give it an even more polished and dynamic appearance. Thanks for watching. Like the video, share our video, comment below your suggestion, and subscribe to our channel.